muffins that I got off this motherfucker, and it had like way better wax or some shit. And literally, when I took it, I was playing Call of Duty with my boy Mo. Do you know Mo?
No, Mo never. Mo never came out.
Yeah, Mo's. I was playing.
Shout out Mo Rajby.
And like once these muffins kicked in, I literally like fucking passed out, like sleeping in the chair. Slept for 16 hours and woke up in the craziest days of my life.
You're gonna make my documentary when I get famous?
Oh, I'd be so down, dude. I'd be so down. Honestly, it's a given. It's a given, bro. You better let me. No, I'm just kidding. So me and my boys, we took an edible, and we're about to go on some edible adventures.
Yeah, Kofi took edible.
Kofi took an edible. Amazon.
He actually took 2.
Kofi took weed. Amazon. Amazon. That's where he works. Oh, you okay? You wanna drive us somewhere, Kofi? Wanna go to like a mountain and you drive? Wanna go to North Mountain? I'm also down for a walk, but you know, if Kofi wanted to drive us somewhere cool, obviously I'd be down, you know? And then we both gave him a kiss for his efforts. Nah. Oh, now he's not down anymore. What if we both didn't give you a kiss? What if you do this, we don't kiss you? So like, everyone's like, you better do this, we're threatening you now with kisses. You better do this or we're fucking...
I ain't kissing you, but Mason will.
Nah. Kyle's gonna sneak one. Cause like your eyes are gonna be closed. Kyle, I told Kyle he'll close your eyes and then he'll sneak one in there.
Damn, thanks, Mace.
You know, sometimes like me and my friends just like to go for scenic high walks. Kofi's fucked. This guy's fucked up right now, dude. This guy's fucked up. Don't let...
Taking edible?
Bro, he literally took like 5. Amazon, he literally took like 5, bro.
Amazon.
Dude, let's go catch that. You guys wanna go catch that cat? I wanna pet it.
So you can't plug that video on your computer. Amazon will have it.
I'll plug them. Oh, there's another one. It feels like we were in like some sort of like parallel universe, and it starts here. This shit goes on for infinite. Like we're like, wait a second. It starts getting freaky, and we're like, wait a second. We're like walking for like a day, and we're like, there's no way. There's no way. And we just get lost.
Pretty sure it's
I don't know, bro. I don't know if it is.
You could manifest it right now, Mason. Manifest.
Ooh, I swear I will.
Look at this car.
Damn, decent.
Yeah, that car.
What's that movie? With a car like that? And what's her name? Rides it.
Lindsay Lohan?
Yeah, Lindsay Lohan.
I don't remember what it's
It's
called.
like Hermie or something.
Oh,
Gurmy?
Herbie.
Herbie. Not bad, dog.
Kofi, you got
Gotta put
vlog.
that
Tell him
in
like,
the
yo, what up? This is DZ. This is ZZ Townley. ZZ Townley, fuck. Do something, dude.
What's going to do?
Do something.
Backflip? Fuck away.
Could you?
And
Do something. Could you really?
Just
Oh my
just on
god,
site.
dude. He's not even gonna do it. He's not even gonna do it. You do a front handspring? What? You can do a front handspring?
I could do a front flip.
Kyle, do a front handspring.
I don't know
Like,
what that is.
it's like you run and you like jump on your hands and you like flip to your like feet.
Gucci on all that.
I could do it. I'll do it. I'll do this grass over here.
backflip is easier than doing going front.
No, front handspring you can do. Front handspring is like super easy. I can't do I could do a backflip, but I can't because I haven't practiced in a while. Like I almost was able to do it on the ground. I just never tried it, you know? Oh, I felt water. Here, hold this, Kyle. Sure. This is a front handspring. You do like this.
That was pretty decent. Didn't make this man backflip.
Ooh, that was so clean.
That was decent.
That was so
How do you just do that?
that was really so clean, dude. That one music video we did in my car. We were like smoking blunts in there and shit. I still got that footage.
I was smoking?
Yeah, you wanna see it?
Kinda.
Too bad.